Hello, welcome back. This is James Surreal from Our Lot Rostering and Time and Attendance. So today we're going to be looking at viewing our roster report. So now that we've created the shift scheduling, we've made our rolling rota, we make our rolling rota week or rolling rota month, and we've emailed the staff their rota, and the staff are also checking their schedule via the mobile app as well. So what we want to know now is we want to view a report so that we can actually see what our rota, how our hours is being used up at every particular point in time. So the first thing we have here is we have the hours for each of the department is displayed here. So for Warren Gardens, we have this total hours for that particular week. So if I come and add another staff schedule here, and I say this, and I duplicate this, and I say update, automatically we'll see here that it's increasing. So we have this information handy for us to know how our week is progressing. So if the weekly hours for the department is over, we're going to get a message at the end of the day that we are going over our weekly budget. So what we will do next is we will now look at the reports of how this roster is doing, and we can click on this little button with a little database icon and a file icon which shows report, and we click it. Once we have here, we have pre-built queries here that we've written. So if your care service wants more type of query or report, we can always design one specifically for your organization depending on your requirement. That might come at additional cost to the subscription fee, but we may decide not to charge depending on how complex or what you want to achieve from the report. But for now, what comes with the subscription, a monthly subscription or a yearly subscription of £99 a year or $9.99 a month, is this report. So you can always view your report. So for example, we can view total hours group by staff, what they are doing. We can always see. So we have here, this employee has done total hours for the month of August. He's done these hours, and we can download this report as a PDF document, and we can print it so it is presentable, and we can always use that for making decision. So we can say, oh James, you're going over your hours, you need to reduce the hours, and the manager as well can also be aware that James is going over his hours, and they can make better decision when they are scheduling the rota. So I'm just going to close this, and we go back to the rostering. So any type of, so we can say total shift group by staff, we can always see it here. So we see here, this is the total shift, which is 25. This person is scheduled for 25 shifts in total, and this one is scheduled for 5 shifts in total. So depending on what we want, we can always drill down by looking at what type of shift this person is doing. So we have here, this is the shift type, early shift, late shift. So we have this information handy for us to make better decision, and that is the purpose of information system, so as to make a better decision. So in the next tutorial, we're going to look at other aspects of our rostering, and I'll see you shortly. Bye for now.